Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 14.5 question number 6. Draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 cm. Draw any chord AB. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. Examine if it passes through C. Let us draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 cm. Let us take a ruler. Right. Let us take the length of radius as 3.4 cm. Right. Let us take the length as 3.4 cm. This is 3 point. This is 3.4 centimeter, right? This length is 3.4 centimeter, and we have to draw a circle center C. The center of the circle is C. Let us write it as C. Now, let us draw the circle. Right? This is the radius of the circle. Let us take the compass. Here I have taken the compass. Let us draw the circle. Take this pointer at point C. The name of this is the center of the circle, and take this pointer here. Right, this is 3.4 centimeter. Right, now draw a circle. Right, we are drawing a circle here. Right, we draw a circle. Here we have drawn a circle, and this is point C. C is the center of the circle. C is the center of the circle. Right, this is the point C. This is C is the center of the circle. This is C. C is the center of the circle. A radius is 3.4 centimeters. Let us take another point, that is CP. Right, and CP radius, CP radius CP is equal to 3.4 centimeter, is equal to 3.4 centimeter. Right, now draw any chord AB. Let us take another chord AB. Let us take AB, another any chord. Let us take any chord here. We are drawing here a this is AB. Let us draw this line. Right, this is chord, and the name of the chord is, let us take any chord AB. The name of this chord is A and B. This point is A and this point is B. Right, construct any chord AB. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB and examine if it passes through C. Let us find the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now with the help of this compass, we will find the perpendicular bisector. Right, we will find the perpendicular bisector. Let us take this here at point A. Take the pointer at point A and draw a curve here. Draw a curve here. Take the pointer at point A. You have taken the pointer here and draw a curve. We will increase this one, the length of the curve. Now taking the pointer at point A, draw a curve. right? Again, take the pointer at point A and draw another curve, right? Let us take this pointer at point A and draw another curve here, right? Now take this pointer at point B, take this pointer at point B and draw a curve here, right? In the same way, take this pointer at point B, take this pointer at point B and draw another arc here, right? Then you get the perpendicular bisector, right? Now with the help of the scale, you draw here a perpendicular bisector of AB. This is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now draw this line. We have done the perpendicular bisector of AB, and you see here that it passes through the center C, right? The perpendicular bisector, let us write the name of the perpendicular bisector, that is, it is ABC, and it is P M, this is M, this is M N. Here you see MN is the perpendicular bisector, MN is the perpendicular bisector, MN is the perpendicular bisector, and come to the conclusion and came to the conclusion that it passes through the center C, that it passes it passes it passes through it passes through the center C, passes through the center C, right? This is the solution of question number 6. What we have done, here you see, draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4. We have taken a radius 3.4 centimeter and draw a circle first. Draw any chord AB. We have drawn a chord AB, this one. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. Here we drawn the perpendicular bisector, that is MN is the perpendicular bisector of AB, right? And examine it passes through C. Here you see this MN passes through the center C of the circle, right? Therefore, you can say that MN is the perpendicular bisector and came to the conclusion that it passes through the center C. And here is radius CP is equal to 3.4 centimeter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.